JP, together with
Nicole and Miguez.
today we're going to conduct a random interview in our subject, ethics.
Let's start!
So your questions po is, what is right and wrong?
Yung right. Ayan, yung right. Kadalasan sa buhay natin, i-apply natin sa buhay natin araw-araw. Yung pagmumura, kala natin tama, yung normal lang. Sa pang-araw-araw, yung reaction natin, emosyon natin sa isang bagay, sa mga nangyayari. Diba? Minsan, kala natin normal lang, pero hindi pala. Sa mata ng Diyos, at sa mata ng ibang tao, lalo sa matatanda, kapag may nakakarinig, hindi tama. Hindi na tama. Pero dahil tao lang tayo, nagkakamali, napupuno rin minsan, ayun, nakakapagsalita tayo minsan. Hindi natin alam, ay, mali pa. Ako, in my own, aminin ko na nakakapagsalita ako madalas, pero dahil pag nasa bahay ko, ganyan, mga reaction ko, nahulog yung anak ko, ganyan, or nakakapag-react ako ng dahil, sabi ko, dahil may baby ako, baka ma-absorb niya, kala niya tama, pero mali pa. Hindi ko naman sasabihin na alisin natin, or natin, avoid na. Or tama natin kung saan hindi magre-react, avoid sa maraming tao, sa mga bata, ganyan. Pero nobody's perfect. Thank you po.
The question is, why do we feel guilty when we do something?
Why do you feel guilty when we do something wrong? Well, I want to call conscience. I want to believe that we all have conscience. But the problem is that whether this conscience is actually innate in us or formed by an external factor. Because sometimes there are things that are acceptable to us but are not acceptable to us. But ultimately, we feel disturbed when we commit sin because we have conscience. And this conscience perhaps is what you call an inner voice that tells you whether your action is right or wrong. And maybe it's part of our nature that we should always use our and then not to passing by. So when we do the opposite, for sure the business you don't feel right. You have to believe something else.